In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Weebly. Whether you're new to Weebly or simply need a refresher, this guide is designed to make your login process smooth and efficient, all within just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer. Type in the address bar, weebly.com. This will take you directly to the Weebly homepage. Weebly is a platform that allows you to build a stunning, fully functional website without the need for extensive coding knowledge. It's user-friendly and caters to both beginners and experienced web users alike. Once the Weebly homepage loads, you'll see the login section prominently displayed. This is where you'll enter your email address or username that you use to set up your Weebly account. It's essential to have this information handy, as it's your key to accessing your projects. Go ahead and input the email address or username into the designated field. In addition to your email, you'll need to enter your password. This password should be something that's both secure and memorable. Ensure your caps lock is off, as passwords are case-sensitive. After inputting your password, you can proceed by clicking the Login button. For those who prefer using social accounts, Weebly also provides the option to log in using your Facebook, Google, or Square accounts. These are integrated login options that can make signing in quicker and sometimes easier. To do this, just click on the icon of the account you wish to use and follow the prompts to grant Weebly access. This option is convenient if you want to streamline your login process across different platforms. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your Weebly dashboard. The dashboard is your control center. Here you're able to manage all the websites you've created. From designing new pages, modifying existing content, or accessing other powerful features Weebly offers, this is where it all happens. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard is crucial, as it allows you to harness the full capabilities of Weebly's tools, whether you're updating your current site or starting something completely new. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've learned how to log into Weebly quickly and efficiently. If you encounter any issues, such as forgotten passwords, most login pages, including Weebly's, offer a Forgot Password link. Click on it to follow the instructions for resetting your password. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and happy website building with Weebly.